It's a picture of Braden hiccuping.
Oh, he's got hiccups.
Let's zoom in. Braden's got hiccups.
He's got the hiccups.
Here's his Auntie Stephanie visiting him. Hi! And he's laying on Auntie Stephanie's legs. Here's a beautiful Christmas tree in the back.